How to create neon light effect in Premiere Pro. First, you add adjustment layer on your timeline. Next, going to Effects panel and search Gaussian blur and increase this to around 75 and change the blend mode to screen. You can also create a mask on the Gaussian blur and turn down the opacity around 70. The next effect we're going to use is called Find Edges. We're going to press Invert if you change your blend mode to normal. Next, we're going to Lumetri Color. What we really want to do is just create a bunch of zigzags for every single curve that's available here. So we're going to start from the bottom here. You just want to make a bunch of points on this line and just drag them up and drag them down and keep doing this for every single curve. Next, we're going to Lumetri Color, so you can just boost vibrancy, saturation, contrast, all that sort of stuff. Or you can also search Upprock Amp right here and just drag it onto your clip. We're going to press on the stopwatch for hue and contrast and keyframing as well as, so it goes from 100 to around 188. Follow for more video tips.